If you are an international student here in the States, you need two things to survive. Number one, oxygen. You need to breathe. And number two, dollars. You need to pay. So where do you bring all these dollars from? You can bring it from home, but with 1,000 rupees, you can buy less than $10. And with $10, you get nasty little sandwich here in America. And you don't want to be burdened to your parents when you are older than 2 decades. So what do? What if I say there is another option? Yes, you can earn the dollars you need. How? By working in summer. You can earn anywhere between $4,000 to $10,000. In this video, let's talk about different summer jobs you can do here in America as an international student. Alright, I'll talk about cafe job, facilities, summer RA, research, internships, importantly internship and everything. But before that, let me give you the tour of my room. So in my room, in this wall, I have the cute picture of myself. Alright, let's begin. So in summer, there are multiple on-campus and off-campus jobs available. I will start with the job that makes you $5,000 and all the way up to $10,000. I'll start from easiest to find job to hardest to find job. Or I'll start from hard to do job to easy to do job. Number 1, cashier or server in cafe. This is the easiest to find job and pays you well. Find the cafe manager and apply as per their instructions. Super easy, but this can be competitive sometimes because a lot of students are looking for same exact job. This job will pay you $11 an hour. Working 40 hours per week, you will make $5,280 in 12 weeks, which is 3 months. Now, the work can be a little demanding, difficult, or boring, so I recommend you to apply for research or internship. At least prioritize that. Over here is lots of dollars. I had a girl come by in my room and she liked rich guys, so yeah, every time she came by she would see this. Number 2, facilities. So I've also worked as a facility student support, but not in the summer. Over the summer, many universities perform maintenance tasks, renovate building and so on. So you can work as a facility student support in the summer. This will also pay you $11 per hour, and over the summer you can make $5,280. So now if you don't like to be outstanding in the field like this, then you can be outstanding in the field of management and apply to library or admission office job. This is the empty chocolate box, you know, the mistakes, the memories that I made in life. When I look at this, it reminds me of all the mistakes, you know. So it is empty. I already ate the chocolate, but I'm keeping the box because it's the memory. Number 3, library, admission or IT assistant. In these jobs, you will mostly be sitting in the front desk, reading books, picking up the calls, greeting people. It is much easier job. However, this also pays only $11 an hour and you can make $5,280. Number 4, summer RA. So if you like leadership roles, kind of management, programming events, then you should apply to be summer RA. I'm also an RA and I absolutely love to be an RA. This will pay you $13 an hour and you will make in 12 weeks or 3 months $6,240. Plus you'll have free housing, so it will save your summer expenses. And this is very cute letter that Matser sent me with this gift over the Christmas. This Matser bought in Morocco. He thought this guy would look like me, so he bought this one for me. Number 5, summer research assistant. So this is more important. If you are the STEM major, you will have opportunities to do research in various fields. You can actually write the code or go to the river and study nature, go to forest, whatever your research is about. So not only this will earn you money, but it will also be great addition to your resume and experience. You will earn about the same, so in 3 months you will make $6,240. Here I have a chocolate box, but this is not empty, this is full. I knew I had to keep this in the wall, so I did not eat any chocolate, you know. This is more of a good memories. Finally, the most important, number 6, internships. This is the only way to work off campus and makes you the most money. You should start applying as soon as possible, and you should apply to as many companies as you can. This is the best job to do in the summer, and this should be your first priority. All previous jobs should be your fallback option. An internship will pay you somewhere between $15 up to $30. So consider somewhere in between $22 an hour. It will make $10,560 in 3 months or 12 weeks. Now, let's also talk about the expenses in summer. You will not only earn, but you will also pay. You will have to leave for 3 months. You'll have to stay. You'll have to survive for 3 months. You'll have to eat. So depending upon where you stay and what you eat, you will spend about $2,000 to $3,000. After subtracting the expenses, in reality, you will only earn about $3,000 to $8,000 in summer. Some universities though allow on-campus housing. For example, my college allows on-campus summer housing, and I'll have to pay about $300 to $500 for the whole summer. So that way you can cut the cost. Be careful, do your research. An important thing to know is that you cannot earn very much in summer. Some students expect to earn or have intention to earn $20,000 and pay everything by themselves, but that is not possible. That is tough, so be very careful. So in my case, I had dollars just enough to pay for my first year. I got the internship in my first summer and paid the rest by myself. So it is possible, don't get discouraged. However, my cost was only $13,000. I earned money in fall and spring also, so that I could cover all the cost. Now, if you want to make a killer resume and get an internship in your first, second, or third year, I have documented my journey of getting internship in this video. You can watch that one. And thank you so much for subscribing. I love you all. If you join my channel, it's $2.99 per month. If you join my channel, I will dance for you. Any step that you request, I'm gonna dance for you. So if you want to make me dance, you gotta pay something. But there are also member exclusive video, so please join. At least subscribe. I love you.